Hello, and welcome to another Super Dispatch support video. Today, we'll walk you through how to enable dark mode inside of Carrier TMS. Dark mode helps reduce eye strain, improve visibility, and give your dashboard a sleek, modern look. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up Super Dispatch on your computer. From there, click Login, and then Carrier Login. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're going to want to click the profile icon in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. From that menu, select Settings to open up your system preferences. From here, you're going to want to make sure you're under the General section. And then from there, locate the dark mode toggle. Switch the toggle on to enable dark mode. Once you've enabled dark mode, click the Save icon in the upper right-hand corner. Your interface will now automatically switch to dark mode, providing a darker background with improved text and button contrast. And that's it. You now know how to enable dark mode inside of Carrier TMS. If you have any additional questions or need any further assistance, our support team is always here to help. You can reach us at support@superdispatch.com or click the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope you have an amazing rest of your day.